Understanding running a fever in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, running a fever. This phrase is widely used in everyday conversations, particularly when discussing health and wellness. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and understanding, let's dive in. Running a fever refers to the condition where someone has a higher body temperature than normal, usually due to an illness. It's important to note that a normal body temperature can vary, but it typically hovers around 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, 37 degrees Celsius. When someone says they're running a fever, it means their body temperature is above this average range. This phrase is often used in casual and medical contexts. For example, I can't come to work today, I'm running a fever. The child is running a fever, we should consult a doctor. In these examples, the phrase clearly communicates that the person is not just feeling unwell, but specifically experiencing an elevated body temperature. The word running in this context doesn't mean physical running. Instead, it implies an ongoing process or state. When someone is running a fever, their body is in the state of having a fever. This usage of running is common in English to describe continuous states or conditions. While running a fever is a common phrase in American English, variations exist in other English-speaking regions. For instance, in British English, people might say, having a fever. It's always good to be aware of these regional differences, especially in an international context. I hope this video has been informative and helps you understand the phrase, running a fever, better. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding these nuances and expressions. Keep practicing, and you'll be fluent in no time. See you in our next video.